Hello everyone. Question is a Salesforce associate is using global search to find a record but does not remember the name of the record they want to find. What should the associate use to search for the record? Option A list view for each object. Option B object manager. Option C wildcards and operators. Correct answer is option C. Question is a Salesforce associate recently relocated from Get Cloudy Consulting's San Francisco office to its new London office. The associate wants to change their work hours information in the Salesforce org to reflect their new time zone. Which methods is easiest to change these settings? Option A go to settings, then personal information, then my work information. Option B submit a case with Salesforce support. Option C go to setup, then company information, then default time zone. Correct answer is option C. Question is a Salesforce associate at Get Cloudy Consulting is working with a user to view multiple records and their related records on the same screen. Currently, the user uses multiple browser tabs. Which app should the associate recommend for the user to view multiple records and their related records on the screen? Option A Salesforce Lightning Page. Option B Salesforce Lightning Console. Option C Salesforce Dashboard. Correct answer is option B. Question is a Salesforce associate wants to add a new related list of cases to account. Where should the associate go to add the related list to account? Option A account record page. Option B page layout. Option C case record page. Correct answer is option B. Question is the health department wants to gain more insights into its patient data than what Salesforce dashboards can provide. Which Salesforce product should the department use? Option A Experience Cloud. Option B CRM Analytics. Option C Health Cloud. Correct answer is option B. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Question is which Trailhead feature should Get Cloudy Consulting use to create a custom teaming path for its employees? Option A projects. Option B trail mixes. Option C modules. Correct answer is option B. Question is a Salesforce associate tries to create a new user in a sandbox using astrogetcloudy.org as the username and it fails. What is the problem with creating the astro3getcloudy.org username? Option A Salesforce usernames must include the user's full name and be formatted like an email address. Option B Salesforce usernames must be unique across all Salesforce orgs and that one is already in use. Option C Salesforce usernames must be formatted like an email address with .com at the end. Correct answer is option B. Question is which sharing type shares a single common infrastructure and code base? Option A metadata. Option B multi-tenant. Option C trust. Correct answer is option B. Question is what is the first step in building this report? Option A create a new report using the contacts and accounts report type. Option B create a contacts report with a filter on account. Option C create a joint report with accounts and contacts. Correct answer is option A. Question is, Get Cloudy Consulting dashboard shows all of the company's key performance indicators KPIs in one view. The company's Salesforce associate is asked to add functionality that allows the dashboard to show all the same KPIs for each of the regions. How should the associate add this functionality? Option A. Create new dashboards for each region. Option B. Add a region filter to the dashboard. Option C. Use an analytics package from the App Exchange. Correct answer is option B. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Hello everyone. Question is, what is the maximum number of rows a report will display? Option A 5000, Option B 3000, Option C 2000. Correct answer is option C. Question is, small opportunities amount is less than $50,000. Medium opportunities amount is between $50,000 and 51 lakhs. Large opportunities amount is more than $1 lakh. How should the Salesforce associate create a field to show the amount as described above? Option A. Create a bucket field of amount. Option B. Create a custom field in setup. Option C. Create a formula field of amount. Correct answer is option A. Question is, how should a Salesforce associate ensure a dashboard has the most current data? Option A. By refreshing the browser. Option B. By clicking refresh. Option C. By opening the dashboard. Correct answer is option B. Question is, a Salesforce associate wants to refresh a report and email it to an executive team each week. Which functionality of Salesforce reports should the associate use? Option A. Refresh. Option B. Notifications. Option C. Subscriptions. Correct answer is option C. Question is, Get Cloudy Consulting GCC wants to migrate to Salesforce as its business continues to grow. GCC's needs include communicating available products and service to its prospective customers, improving its sales pipeline forecast and management quarterly revenue goals, offering support to customers through its website. Consider for implementation. Option A. Service experience and marketing. Option B. Commerce, service and marketing. Option C. Sales, service and marketing. Correct answer is option C. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Question is, which trailhead features should Get Cloudy Consulting use to create a custom learning path for its employees? Option A. Trail mixes. Option B. Modules. Option C. Projects. Correct answer is option A. Question is, how can a user see only contacts from a specific city on the New This Week list view without changing what other users see? Option A. Change the permissions so they can only see records from the specific city. Option B. Clone the list view with a new name and filter by the specific C. Option C. Build a private report for contacts that is filtered by the specific city. Correct answer is option B. Question is, Salesforce is built on objects like account, contact, and opportunity. What is a representation of an object? Option A, a spreadsheet where the records are rows and the fields are columns. Option B, physical visualization of an account, contact, or opportunity. Option C, a set of relationships that link an account, contact, or opportunity. Correct answer is option A. Question is a Salesforce standard profile and users is looking for a specific information on an opportunity record page. They are overwhelmed by the required scrolling to see the page. What can the user do to simplify the page? Option A, collapse detailed sections. Option B, remove activities. Option C, change page layout assignment. Correct answer is option A. Question is a Salesforce associate wants a visual summary of opportunities in a list view. The associate would like to summarize, filter, and move opportunities along the pipeline. What should they do to meet this requirement? Option A, create an opportunity Kanban view. Option B, create an opportunity list view. Option C, create an opportunity summary report. Correct answer is option A. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Hello everyone. Question is, a Salesforce associate recently relocated from Get Cloudy Consulting's San Francisco's office to its new London office. The associate wants to change their personal work hours information in the Salesforce org to reflect their new time zone. Which method is easiest to change these settings? Option A, submit a case with Salesforce support. Option B, my personal information, then language and time zone. Option C, go to setup, then company information, then default time zone. Correct answer is option B. Question is a sales representative at Get Cloudy Consulting asked the new Salesforce associate to give them a report showing all the active accounts for the sales representative's territory. Where should the associate go to create a new report for accounts? Option A, Accounts tab. Option B, Reports tab. Option C, Setup. Correct answer is option B. Question is, where should field dependencies for an object be reviewed? Option A, Profiles. Option B, Object Manager. Option C, App Builder. Correct answer is option B. Question is, a Salesforce associate has received a request to create new users for a group of new employees. Where can the associate check the number of licenses available to be assigned to the new employees? Option A, Company Information. Option B, Salesforce Help. Option C, User Management Settings. Correct answer is option A. Question is, Get Cloudy Consulting trains its new employees in a partial sandbox named New Employees. An employee completes the training in the sandbox and is ready to sign in to the production org. However, an error message pops IP indicating an invalid username or password. The employee is using their sandbox username and password to sign into production. What is needed to solve this error? Option A, creating a new username for the production org. Option B, removing .new employee appendix from the sandbox username. Option C, creating a different password for the production org. Correct answer is option B. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Question is, a Salesforce associate is creating new user accounts for a new project management team. What will be the role of each new team member? Option A, end user. Option B, developer. Option C, builder. Correct answer is option B. Question is, which Salesforce role produces data-driven solutions by eliciting, documenting, and examining requirements around organizational challenges? Option A, business analyst. Option B, user experience designer. Option C, platform developer. Correct answer is option A. Question is, a sales manager at Get Cloudy Consulting wants a report that shows their top selling product families by quantity. Option A, group by opportunity stage, then filter by product family, then sum the total number sold. Option B, group by product family, filter to show only closed won opportunities, sum the total number sold. Option C, group by active products, filter to show opportunities this year, sum the quantity. Correct answer is option B. Question is, a Salesforce associate is creating a report that needs to show changes in a value over a series of point in time. Which type of chart should the associate add to this report to help visualize these changes? Option A, line. Option B, scatter. Option C, donut. Correct answer is option A. Question is, how can an end user access their personal settings? Option A, click the gear icon in the header, then click icon. Option B, click the profile icon in the header, then click settings. Option C, click the question mark icon in the header, then create a case. Correct answer is option B. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Hello everyone. Question is, refer to the screenshot that shows the top portion of the Salesforce service app with areas labeled A, B, and C. Get Cloudy Consulting GCC offers sales and services consoles to meet the various needs of its end users. Where should GCC end users go to change the sales console? Option A, App Launcher icon, label A. Option B, Search bar, label B. Option C, a drop down in the navigation bar, label C. Correct answer is option A. Question is, a Salesforce associate wants to learn more about an app to see if it would be good for a business need, but they are not a system administrator. Where can they learn more about the app? Option A, App Exchange. Option B, Trailhead. Option C, Global Search. Correct answer is option B. Question is, a Salesforce associate reviews a report that shows more information than they need. The associated see individual records but only wants to see the record count. Option A, row counts and grand total. Option B, subtotals and detail rows. Option C, grand total and subtotals. Correct answer is option A. Question is, an employee at Get Cloudy Consulting recently changed their name. They received a new email address. Where should these changes be updated? Option A, user record page from setup. Option B, user profile page. Option C, contact record page. Correct answer is option B. Question is, a Salesforce associate is working from a custom contact list view and noticed key information is missing. What should they do to add the missing information? Option A. Edit sharing settings. Option B. Select fields to display. Option C. Edit list filters. Correct answer is option B. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Question is, Get Cloudy Consulting is rolling out Salesforce to its organization. New users may have different access requirements based on department. What should be recommended to allow new users the correct areas based on their department's requirements? Option A. Role hierarchy. Option B. Individual profiles. Option C. Permission sets. Correct answer is option A. Question is, what should be considered before changing the field type of a custom field? Option A. The field is a required field that cannot be changed. Option B. The field type can be changed for all custom field. Option C. There is possible data loss when changing the field type. Correct answer is option C. Question is, which relationship type exists between accounts and contacts? Option A. Master detail. Option B. Self. Option C. Lookup. Correct answer is option C. Question is, sorry. Question is, a marketing manager wants to make the reason lost field required on the opportunity when the stage is changed to closed lost. What should the Salesforce associate do to enforce this requirement? Option A. Make the field required on the page layout. Option B. Create a validation rule on the opportunity object. Option C. Make the field universally required. Correct answer is option B. Question is, two users in the same opportunity record are seeing different fields. What is the reason for this? Option A. The missing fields are marked as hidden in Object Manager. Option B. The users are assigned different profiles and page layouts. Option C. The users have been configured with different locals. Correct answer is option B. Question is, which tool creates a visual representation of objects and their relationships? Option A. App Launcher. Option B. Object Manager. Option C. Schema Builder. Correct answer is option C. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Hello everyone. Question is, Get Cloudy Consulting requires a value in the status field every time a record is created or edited. What should they do to enforce this? Option A. Make the field required in Object Manager. Option B. Make the field required with a validation rule. Option C. Make the field required in organization-wide defaults. Correct answer is option A. Question is, when a sales representative needs to give an additional discount for an opportunity, a manager needs to review and authorize the discount request. What should be used to log the record before a decision is made? Option A. Validation rule. Option B. Approval process. Option C. Page layout. Correct answer is option B. Question is, www.vceup.com. Which approach should GCC explore first? Option A. A programmatic approach unless there is lack of resources. Option B. A declarative approach as it allows for quicker and simpler problem solution. Option C. A programmatic approach as it is more customizable. Correct answer is option B. Question is, Get Cloudy Consulting GCC is experiencing insignificant performance degradation. What should GCC do to quickly verify if a performance incident has been reported on its instance of Salesforce? Option A. Ask a question on the Trailblazer community. Option B. Check system status on the trust site. Option C. Open a case with Salesforce support. Correct answer is option B. Question is, Get Cloudy Consulting GCC wants to customize its sales application's home tab with additional components. Outside of the org, where should GCC Salesforce associate go to collaborate with others on solutions that might resonate with GCC users? Option A. Explore documents in help and training. Option B. Ask a question in a Trailblazer community group. Option C. Search for modules in Trailhead. Correct answer is option B. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Question is, Get Cloudy Consulting GCC provides consulting services to small and medium-sized business in the financial service space. GCC wants a solution for customer service where complaints can be logged through away from and email. Which Salesforce solution should GCC use? Option A. Commerce Cloud. Option B. Experience Cloud. Option C. Service Cloud. Correct answer is option C. Question is, question is, a manager can see all of the records owned by their team, but not records owned by other teams. How is access to the records being controlled? Option A. Permission sets. Option B. Profiles. Option C. Role hierarchy. Correct answer is option C. Question is, what should the account owner at Get Cloudy Consulting use to learn from the sum of the amount for each opportunity? Option A. The opportunity related list. Option B. A custom report type. Option C. A roll-up summary field. Correct answer is option C. Question is, a Salesforce associate has received a request to create new users for a group of new employees. Where can the associate check the number of licenses available to be assigned to the new employees? Option A. Salesforce Help. Option B. Company Information. Option C. User Management Settings. Correct answer is option B. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Hello everyone. Question is, a Salesforce associate wants a visual summary of opportunities in a list view. The associate would like to summarize, filter, and move opportunities along the pipeline. What should they do to meet this requirement? Option A. Create an opportunity summary report. Option B. Create an opportunity list view. Option C. Create an opportunity Kanban view. Correct answer is option C. Question is, Get Cloudy Consulting GCC wants to simplify its sales team's account record page with the following recommendations. First, adding tabs. Second, hiding components. Where should GCC's Salesforce associate go to draft these changes for review? Option A. Lightning App Builder. Option B. Record types. Option C. Page layouts. Correct answer is option A. Question is, Get Cloudy Consulting GCC has recently added recently been onboarded as a Salesforce customer. GCC wants to enroll its in-house IT administration team in a Salesforce instructor-led training workshop. Which resource provides virtual and in-person learning that should help the team accelerate their Salesforce knowledge? Option A, Trailhead Community. Option B, Salesforce Help. Option C, Trailhead Academy. Correct answer is option A. Question is, Get Cloudy Consulting GCC plans to migrate from a legacy CRM system to Salesforce. GCC currently uses a dedicated single-tenant on-premise system and wants to utilize a multi-tenant architecture like Salesforce uses. What is one feature of multi-tenant architecture? Option A, resources are shared but tenants cannot claim each other's resources. Option B, resources are shared and tenants can claim each other's resources. Option C, resources are limited to each tenant. Correct answer is option A. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Question is, a Salesforce associate wants to connect with other Salesforce associate in their local area. Which Salesforce resource allows them to network and collaborate with others based on role and location? Option A, Trailblazer Connect. Option B, Salesforce Interest Groups. Option C, Trailblazer Community Groups. Correct answer is option C. Question is, a Salesforce associate tries to create a new user in a sandbox using Astro at getcloudy.org as the username and it fails. What is the problem with creating the Astro at getcloudy.org username? Option A, Salesforce usernames must be unique across all Salesforce orgs and that one is already in use. Option B, Salesforce usernames must include the user's full name and be formatted like an email address. Option C, Salesforce usernames must be formatted like an email address with .com at the end. Correct answer is option A. Question is, an online retail company uses Sales Cloud and Marketing Cloud. The company's Salesforce associate needs help while working in Marketing Cloud and wants to hear other Salesforce professionals' opinions. They would like to post a question that anyone around the globe who is familiar with Salesforce can answer. Which resource should they use? Option A, Salesforce Help. Option B, Trailblazer Community. Option C, Trailhead Academy. Correct answer is option B. Question is, which Salesforce role should help companies increase campaign effectiveness, re-engage inactive customers, and grow their customer base? Option A, marketer. Option B, designer. Option C, consultant. Correct answer is option A. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe.